Yo ho ho! What's going on, guys? This is Grim Reaper bringing you guys a new production. There's a great artist in our Discord who's been in the community for a while, and he's taken up a project to work on this manga called Ningen, authored by DH Animations. We're gonna be live reacting to this first 3 chapters to see how it's like, to support it. It's already a really good story. I saw a portion of the original release that was made by DH himself, and this is the redraw and expansion of that. So let's see how the story goes. On to live reaction. Alright, so we shouldn't have to deal with copyright because this is an American story and we know the guy. So, but something happens, we suing the fuck out them niggas though. Alright, the dog nigga. Volume number 1, Rex. Is this a dog? Is that his mom? Oh no. Damn, that nigga crying too, bruh. My backstory. My name is Rex. And I'm a dog, nigga. Hey. Alright. Shit look good. My nigga Serve out here drawing this shit. I never really fit in because of it. This nigga Serve out here drawing this shit, bro. Look at the scenery and shit, dog. Yeah, he out there in the corner getting shamed. In fact, I've never even had any friends. Look, why you drew him like that? He's like, hey. Oh shit. Damn, that shit looks scary as fuck, bro. I was created when a drunk old man forced himself on a stray female dog. What the fuck, bro? That's right. Shit was dirty, bro. That's thumbnail worthy though, right there. Shit. The bitch died giving birth to me. Because of my father, I've had to live my life as a freak rejected by society. So one day I'm gonna find that man. He looking badass. Yo, Serve gave him a Goro type panel, bruh. Cock Diesel out here, bruh. And rape him. You see him in the background and shit, so he just blacked out. Oh, with 2 blades and shit, nigga. Who's that? Alright, tell me the next one. Mysterious assassin. I just nigga out here chilling and shit. I was literally walking out from a barbershop. Post it up. Thanks for the cut, Ron. But that nigga was following me. What the fuck? Oh, you heard that nigga, huh? Since his ass at the top. That looks badass on the way. He came in quick. And look at this nigga Rex, right? The quick side moving his leg and shit. Man, that nigga came in fast, bro. Who is this nigga? That shit look good, bro. Good shit. I must admit, his moves are pretty fast. Well, this might get interesting. You must be Rex, right? This nigga look mean. Yeah, I am. And who the hell are you? I like that little off shade, yeah. Making the scenery and shit important. The bottom view, I like that shit. Ah, a quiet one, huh? Let's get this out of the way. You're here to kill me, right? How can a filthy creature like you be allowed to live? Prepare to die, nigga. Nick. Oh, he's pulling out some shit, huh? What you got in your arm right here? It's kind of hard to understand what's going on. Okay, so they're throwing punches and kicks and shit. Now, should we throw a punch? Guys, I say he about to throw a kick on it. Sniped his ass, bro. Why these shits look, bro? This nigga really just made Garo, man. That's what this nigga sir did. This nigga just do Garo. Oh shit. Oh, this one's badass. That one's badass. Whoops. I didn't even hear his name. What the fuck is that? Oh, is that him? Okay. An explosion, bitch? And there's Rex right there. What? God damn, bro. Why y'all making these niggas so fucking strong off the bat, bruh? This nigga just, what the fuck is this? All of this? Burn, nigga. What the fuck? Damn, bro. This nigga a G, bro. Flying around with this shit. Alright, bet. So he got shit on him. Anyways, my name is Neo. With the little dragon on his arm. That shit look badass right there. I ain't gonna lie. And I was sent by your father to kill you. Father? What the fuck is this? Nice. Then let's go right now. Oh, he really did get fucked up by that. Yo, this nigga served stupid, bruh. He took the Goro that they had in the fucking, in the tournament and shit, bruh. The wolf nigga, Wolfman. That may have been what DH was probably trying to go with. Nigga, and let's go right now. I ain't letting nobody stop me from ripping my... Stupid, bruh. Oh, shit. Alright, bet. Next time, the ultimate fight begins. Rex versus Neo. Hey, that chapter 2 is straight, man. It has some pages to it, too, my nigga, low key. Low key, bruh. The fuck? Yo. Serve DS. Yup. Alright, dog, nigga. The recent chapter 1 that Serve just dropped. He about to get a blast out. Alright. The fuck is that? Yeah, I don't know what this is. He's coming down, like, are the beam's going out? He's got to, like, attack him or some shit. Or, I don't know. Him up in the air and shit. Alright, so he got behind him. And then with that kick. Damn, bruh. Made Rex look badass right there. I don't know what's going on this side, though. Get the kick? I don't know what just happened. Gotcha. Okay, I guess he grabbed his leg, but I don't know how he got to that point. Alright, he's looking at him. I think he jumped back, but like, what did he do? Did he... Get that nigga Rex by the head, it looks like, but I still don't know what's happening here. Die. Oh shit. Oh, he about to blast him point blank. I like it. Moatori flame. Alright. That was nice point blank too, bruh. Bruh, way too much DC, bro. What are you doing? This nigga's exaggerating the fuck out of it, bro. Alright. Big ass hole in the center. Oh, he got up from that. For fuck's sake. Damn, bruh. He really is a take. This same day, I got a fucking cut. This nigga shows up and fucks it up. You look straight, though. Alright, what's this? Okay, so the thing's up there and he got blown down to the bottom. Yeah, so it wasn't really that destructive. Because it just broke the floor. This nigga, I told you, but this nigga exaggerated the fuck out of it. That was point blank right there. And it only blasted the floor in a hole. But all those buildings happened to fall off. Come on. Come out, egghead. I know you up there. He's coming down. Let's move now, shall we? This is nice. That's good with the light coming down from the backside. Very good. Very good. You can tell that a lot of scenery is like taken from Murata. So I'm wondering if this is like a different angle of the Coronation of the Heavens panel from Phoenix. Move. Why don't you just give up? Give up? Me? You have to be kid. Oh shit! Ah, and he got out the way. All right, cut his face. This nigga fast as hell, bruh. Now he got behind him. This panel looks fucking badass. This looks badass though. And then he got behind him. Yeah, badass. All right, facts. See, that translates well. I can tell exactly how it happened. Yeah. Yeah, now he's getting from behind. Yeah. I don't know how to see this. How to read this. Did I get him? Oh, okay, that was his punch. Guess not. You are strong. Too bad you lack skill. His strength is monstrous. If I didn't dodge that, I would have been in big fucking trouble. I can see why they needed me for the job, but come on, Neo. You got this. We still have an ace up our sleeve. I need to pay extra attention. One wrong move, and I'm dead. Fuck. Or fuck, cut. I thought that would have made it. I would have done it. Why is he so fucking fast? Thinking isn't my strongest side, but think, Rex, think. I have to hit my special attack. There's no other way. I'll beat your ass. What? I'll beat your ass up. Just like every assassin. Up until now. To add to that, that sword of his ain't normal. If I didn't dodge it in time, my head would have been sliced open. This nigga really is built different. That's a disaster level, bro. Built different. Look at you, different. This nigga stupid. This nigga really is built different. And that's the sequence right there, bro. Nigga stupid. Oh shit. Alright, so we going at him and shit. Rex out there dodging or whatever. Huh? A light from the back. Where did he go? I can't even blink. Katsure. Oh shit, he about to hit a special attack, ain't it? Oh, he coming after Rex, yo. Let's go, Rex. You got this. What you gonna do, bruh? That whole thing after him come for his ass. Oh shit, he about to bite with his mouth. Nigga open his mouth. Caught the blade. Shit broke. What the fuck? Oh, he came with a punch. Huh? That was a weird sequence, because like, why was the entire point of him like coming with that much speed and then getting that panel of like them face to face like that. Like, I don't know. I thought the entire point of that entire like shit was the sword slash or the punch. I feel sorry for you, Rex. I really do. You were born like a monster. It ain't over yet, fucker. What? I can't move. What did he? What's wrong with his eye? And you're going to die like a monster too. Relax, Rex. Don't let it get to you. Did he paralyze me? No, I don't think so. I need to get out of this shit first. No way. Did he? Did he? Stop fucking time. Nigga, stop it! Oh shit. So what are you waiting for? Kill me already. Tell me, Rex. Do you really plan to rape your dad? Your father? Nah, I'm gonna kill him too. Those people just don't deserve to live. What was his name again? Don't you dare. Don't say that motherfucker's name. Drop this blade for a cannon blast. Like I give a fuck about your dad. Montessori Shinu. Alright, different one. Fucked up a lot of shit. Damn, flamed up Nero. Shit, I better get back before I run out of energy completely. Ani! What? No, he was frozen without a doubt. And how the fuck did he survive that? That's silhouetted Rex. If I keep calm, I can still do this. I can still see myself beating this monster. My fire attacks clearly don't work, but I still need to keep my distance. He's very strong, but his speed is nothing. Special. And then he can see my cock? Damn, bruh. Would he blast him away because of that shit? No, he got punched, yeah. He got punched, and he's still holding his meat. And he's bleeding and shit. What the hell was that? I thought we were using our special moves. He gay, bruh. Rex gay! I call it Dark Fang. You gay! You honestly screwed up in the head. To dictate your entire life just so you could end another. It's pure evil. But nigga, aren't you an assassin? I don't think I asked you what you wanted. You will become an assassin. And that is final. Father. That shit was straight, bro. Good chapter. You are free to post this on any other manga site, but if you do, please credit our social media. Yeah, man, check out the guys. That was a good chapter, good shit. I liked it a lot. Dog nigga, that was good. Nice long distance. I like a lot of pages in the chapter and shit. That was cool. I'm excited to see what Serp's gonna do next.